Hello. Hopefully the audio isn't clipping this time, because it was last stream. But today we are going to be making some music for our PirateSoftware Jam submission. Just a warning, I am not a musician. I barely know how to make music. I have this basic kind of backing track for the main theme. It's by no means good, but I think it's better to make my own music for the jam, rather than using some pre-created assets. It's not good, but I don't think it's awful. It's not going to win any awards by any means, and I think it's quite loud. We'll see. Yeah, it's clipping. That should be better now. If the audio sounds dodgy at all, tell me and I'll change it. I'm not sure how successful this is going to be, but we'll just have a go. We'll have a go at making some music. If worst comes to worst, then I will pull some assets. But I don't think this will go too badly. I have this kind of bass track, and I just need to kind of add a bit over the top. I'm just going to turn down the volume on them all. Okay. We need to put in some kind of... This is really just the base of the theme. We need to actually add all of the extra stuff to it and make it sound good. And I don't know how to do that. But it shouldn't be too bad, hopefully. We can do some strings. And maybe a cello would fit. It will be under... It's not under strings. Where is it? It's under here, under strings. We don't have a cello. Oh, there it is. We do have a cello. We need a new track for this. I don't really know how I want this to go. We need to put this in the arrangement as well. We'll put it across 2 for now, and we'll just run across these 2. Okay, that sounds awful. Everything else has been on sus2. I don't really know what sus2 is. It just kind of sounded good, so I went with it. Okay, let's get this first bit. Then we can worry about the second bit. Let's make some chords. We could make it, I don't know what you would call it, jump? Something like this. It's not bad. Let's increase this. Or should I? I don't think this sounds too bad. It's a bit screechy. It sounds a bit too busy, I think. Yeah. I think maybe this is too much. See, I quite like this regular clarinet. See, I don't think it's bad, it's just in the wrong key. I think we should just try this on some different keys. See, I don't think it's great, but it's not the worst thing I've ever made. See, I think that's actually kind of nice. If it was maybe lowered on the volume. Maybe a cello's not the right instrument. Viola almost sounds right. Maybe we can go with a violin. Or just try out a few things. See, it almost sounds right. Maybe that's good. That sounds not bad. This also needs to be on sus2. Let's go to the bottom. Okay, it's on the 4th. Here, on a G. Oh no, the last note is on the C. I think this isn't bad. I would say it's not bad. It isn't bad. It's just not great. Now if we do this. I think just some of these notes are too high. kind of like it. And we can do something similar for the rest of this. I think that if we're going to do that, we need to have something else there. And then we can have this second clarinet be louder. It sounds happy and upbeat. Which is kind of what we want. Yeah, this is kind of what we want. We can add a bit of variation in. Like, with, you know what, this isn't too bad. Definitely not the worst piece I've ever made. We can maybe swap out 4 with 3. And then do a double 2. Something like that, maybe. Or in 4 instead of a 2 might work. Let's have a look. I quite like it, to be honest. I think it's pretty good. I think it just needs to be a bit longer. It should almost be a bit like some of Toby Fox's music. Lots of it isn't long, but it loops and it doesn't sound bad. There is some swing on a lot of his songs. It doesn't really work on this though. You can have one of the boss themes use some swing. I'm going to have a look and see how long Ghost Fight is. Which is a boss theme, but okay, hopefully this doesn't autoplay. It's 1 minute and 4. It's the other one. It's the one that sounds the same but isn't. What was it called? I cannot remember what it was called. Um, okay, I'll just have a look. Um, it's in here. Ah, dummy. It's called dummy. If that is the correct one. Um, here we go. Oh, this is not the same one. Uh, I'm gonna have a look at this. I'm gonna have to mute my desktop audio. Otherwise, we might get copyright strikes. I swear it's not actually. Can't actually be that long. I think that's an extended version. Hmm. You can have a look on YouTube to see how long it actually is, and I have to keep my desktop audio muted. Um, we're looking for. Is it this one? It's 2 minutes 26 seconds. How long is Ghost Fight? 57 seconds. See, it is the shorter one. And it is the one I'm thinking of. Good. I can turn my desktop audio back on. We're back. It is the right one. It's whatever I said, 57, 53 seconds long. Ours is what? This makes no sense. How long is this? It is a length. It's over 15 seconds. So it needs to be a little longer. Hmm. We need some kind of bounce to it. Um. Okay, well, we need to add a new instrument. And I have no idea what this one sounds like, but we are going to put it in there. We're just going to listen to this bit, section 1. It needs to have energy. Um, hmm. I think we need some voices. Or this needs to be a higher BPM. 125 should be good. Actually, it's... If I raise it any higher, it's too quick. Okay, we're now reaching 20 seconds. We need vocals or something of that effect. Ooze. We can have something like this. Maybe we don't want this in sus2. We could use the major scale. Something like that. No, that is not okay. We need chords. We need chords. We need chords. That was awful. We need a lead instrument. Maybe we have a bell. And this bell will skip one of these triple notes. Something like this. So it just skips a note, or it skips 3 notes. And then we could have something filling the space in between. It does need to be quieter. I think we need to use 2 in here. Yeah, to make it interesting, we need to add something in between. Gonna put in number 8 here. And now we'll just do these 2. Let's change this to use something else that's pretty calm. Whoops. I don't remember what we were using. Oh, it was strings and it was a pizzicato. That was horrible. Maybe another bell. Yeah. Marimba? It's not bad, it's just not good either. There's some variation here. It goes up, so maybe we want to go down, then up. Goes up to there. And then it comes back down again to the same place we started at, and then it finishes one lower. Maybe a marimba isn't the right choice. Do you want to use a bell? Tubular bells? Nope. This kind of creates an eerie effect, though. That's creepy. That's really creepy. And that's awful. Maybe we don't want that. Piccolo. Ocarina. That's not good. Used a calm bell before, but I don't think that's gonna work. I am not on the bell section. Yeah, I'm gonna switch over to sus2. It's easier. There's less notes. Okay, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Is this not? Oh, this is major scale. Well, we're using the major scale for this one as well then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is where that one is. Yes. Okay, we want to put that there. Maybe we want to go one higher. 1 octave higher. And we're going to exactly copy this. Go down to G. That's not G. That's G. And then we go down to an A. That doesn't sound too bad. I think it doesn't sound too bad. It could sound better, but I don't think it's bad. Maybe not a marimba. Okay, now how does the whole thing sound? I'm gonna stop. Okay. Yeah, change. Okay, it's not bad. I think that we could actually just use the same bell, just it's higher. Okay. I prefer 7, so if we do this, we can remove these middle ones and put alternating 7 and 8. Which means that we need to take these notes on 8 and bottom ones at G. Right. Wait a couple seconds, forget how it goes. And then we will go ahead and listen to it again. Have a listen. I think it's not good. Definitely not good. But it's not bad, and I think I'm happy enough to take this and export this. Okay, export. Yeah, a wave from 1 to 5. Yeah, 1 to 5. That's everything. Export. And export that. We're going to put that in here into assets and music. Save that. Exporting it. I don't think I've ever actually exported a song from Bosca Oil. And I'm pretty sure that's not how you say it. It's like Bosca Kale. Done. Good. I'm gonna close this. Might take a second. We can have a listen to it. Good. It's gonna open with MPV. I don't think it's good, but I also don't think it's bad. Let me just pull up my GitHub. So I now have an assets repo where I'm putting all of my assets from this game jam forwards. I'm putting all of my assets here for anyone to use with proper credit. Anyone can use these. So this is the repo. There's a guide on attribution. This is the attribution I've given. Well, you've got stuff like the logos for games. This is the one for Shadowkeep. The music, which we're gonna upload now. Particles, which is not always particles. We got the booby traps from Shadowkeep. Sound effects as well, made with JSFXR or SFXR on the web. UI elements, tile sets. So let's go ahead and push this into there. I recently started using LazyGit and it's awesome. Commit. Finished the main theme. Also, I have not announced this on my community tab, but the name of the game is Shadowkeep. I'll post it up. I'll post up the itch page when it's done. I don't know how good it will be in the end, but you know, it can't be too bad. Done. Cool. If I reload this, should have this. Perfect. I'm pretty sure that GitHub, yeah, does not support audio files. Yeah. So if you want to use any assets that I've created, you can get them here. I might put this on my community tab, I might not. I have a currently private repository, which is actually Shadowkeep itself in here. This is actually the code for Shadowkeep, the entire project. We already have a Kitty instance open. There's quite a lot of stuff that I've been working on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and commit all of this. So this was work on sound effects. Yes. We also want this. And push that up. I don't know what I was doing. Oh, this was also sound effects. Oh well. And so was this. This can also be in there. All of this. And also this. This was all sound effects. And push that one as well. Cool. We reload this, then we will have this sound effects stuff. Cool. It's 100% GD script. Of course, because it's made in Godot. It's under the MIT license, so you can copy it if you want. You can let's go into the license. So you can you just need to give a copyright notice and a license notice. And you can use it for commercial purposes, modification, distribution, private use. So you could, and I'm going to do this with all of my future projects unless they're commercial. And I will put, I'll put my code on GitHub for my projects. It's what I already do for things like linkage, which is a project we have not talked about in a long time here. Also don't want any actions. Issues, fine. Pull requests, fine. Change the visibility. Change to public. I want to make it public, I understand. And make it a public repo. And I'm going to hide this. It's covered up anyway, but still want to make sure. Okay. I think that is now pushed. And you can go here if you want and check it out. This is just the code for the project. I should probably also link this in the game design document. I could link it to the Google Doc, because we have to submit a Google Doc for this. And I'll do that afterwards though. Now, I'm going to put that in here. Code availability, I cannot spell. I just need to copy this link. I've switched over some stuff to using DDS instead of double dot studios, just because it's easier to type, and I might do the same for my GitHub at some point. Oh, how do you it's not there. It'll be there. LI. Licensed. To modify, distribute. It's free to modify, distribute. Copy. Free to modify, distribute. Wrong one. Commercial use, modification, distribute. It's free to modify, distribute, and copy for private use. With the condition of attribution. Condition of attribution. Cool. Okay. Actually, the project is available on GitHub. Gotta keep it licensed under the MIT license. It is free to modify, distribute, copy for commercial use, and copy for private use. With the condition of attribution. Is that how you spell entirety? I spelled it right. I don't have. Do? No, I don't. you can integrate LazyGit with NeoVim, and I'm very tempted to do so. Yeah, added availability and push. This should be under game design documents, under PirateJam 16, and just in the README here, be able to go straight to Shadowkeep. Cool. Instead of writing a README just for Shadowkeep, I'm going to cheat. Actually, I'm not even going to do that. I'm not going to anything like that. I'm going to echo it. Right into the README. We want game design documents 16 and just here. Echo see it in go to there. Information about actually, yeah. I'm just embedding the link because otherwise it's too long. And then that you and commit. Update. Updated the README. Good old classic commit message. Good, that's all pushed. And it should be under Shadowkeep. There it is. Yay. Yeah. Alright, I'm going to leave it there. I think this was pretty productive. We managed to finish the main theme for the game. For the boss themes, I'm probably going to have to find something else. But at least we have the main theme created. I'm pretty happy with that. And I'll probably upload it with a thumbnail onto a second channel. But other than that, I think that we are all done for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like. And if you want to see more like this, subscribe. And I will see you next time.